everyone, welcome to codekarlebro. Today we will learn about how to use CPU uses, memory uses, and disk uses in our shell script. Okay, so let's get it started. So as you can see, uh, in our this is a script which is already written in the shell script. It has some command, and we have used it in the script to determine the CPU uses, memory uses, disk uses. So let's understand each and everything in this process. So first one is the current time. Current time. So we are using date command and we are using this formatter to print the date in this format. Okay, and we are using dollar so that these two command can be like stored in this current time variable. Okay, and after that this is a CPU uses. How we will do that? We do determine the CPU uses with the help of top command. Here you can see I am using top. As you can see, as you know, that top command always runs like so we have to take a snapshot of that top command at a particular period of time. So we are using top minus b. Minus b will be used as a batch, means I am using batch, and n1 means number of iteration is 1. Okay, and we are using awk. It is a very powerful tool in the shell script which can use for searching terms, which is similar to grep and sed. So you can read more about awk in the on Google and YouTube, but uh, here I am using awk to search a particular term which is percent CPU. Okay, so I am searching percent CPU with the help of awk, and I am printing $2. $2 means the value of this percent CPU. So it will be the CPU uses in the percentage. Okay. Similarly, for memory uses, I am using free command and I am searching this term MEM. This memory uses command, as you can see, I tried to run this command. Just break down this command into two terms. First, I break into free awk map. That means I am running the command free and I am searching the term MEM. Okay, so the output of this uh, command is this. Okay, after that, what has been put here? This line. Here we are trying to do $3 by $2 into 100. So $3 will be the third statement. This 17, like if there is a, this is in the KB, right? So this $3 will be this, $2 will be this, and we are dividing and multiplying by 100 to determine the percentage of memory used in this system. And this printf is percentage point 2f. That means what will be the result of this division and multiplication? We will show it with the decimal value at second position. That means 84.44. So this is the percent 2f. Okay, 2 value after the decimal position. So this is what the meaning of this whole command, and it will determine the memory uses. The third one is df minus h. That will determine the disk uses, and it is a very simple thing. Just give the output of df minus h to disk uses. Now here we are printing the current time, CPU uses, memory, and disk uses. Now let's run this command. Let's run this script. Okay. So you can see it is printing the current time, CPU 38.7%, memory 85.07%, and this is printing the disk uses of every mount point. So root has 19%, which is 79 GB is the total size, 14 GB is used, 61 GB is available. All these are different operating system based mount file which is taking some space. Okay, so this is how you can write your own shell script to monitor the CPU, memory and disk uses. Just subscribe to our channel Code Karle Bro, and we will come with our next video very soon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.